In this video, we are gonna talk about one of the three principles of claim, which is
The claim of policy.
a claim of policy asserts that specific policies should be instituted as a solution to problems.
It is also a statement that argues for a specific course of action or change in a policy to address a particular issue.
These claims go beyond simply stating a fact or expressing an opinion. They advocate for a solution or a change in a behavior. These are the three different levels of obligation, or what we call modal verbs of obligation, which is should, must, and ought to. The first one is should. It is an ideal thinking and used to express a recommendation or a suggestion. It implies that something is the right or proper thing to do, but it's not mandatory. For example, the federal government should require a background check before allowing anyone to buy a gun.
The next one is ought to. It's similar to should. Its meaning, however, it is considered to be more formal and used less frequently in spoken English. For example, you ought to ask a lawyer's advice.
The last one is must. It is the strongest in terms of obligation. For example, we must stay at home to prevent being infected by COVID-19.
While ought to is more formal and stronger than should.
And must is the strongest in terms of obligation.
Now you know what is a claim of policy and its different level of obligation.
We hope that you learned something about our video. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.